Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running LimeSurvey, a custom survey tool containerized in Docker. To begin, log into the device where we're going to install Docker. First, we'll install a few prerequisite packages required to install Docker. Then we'll add the Docker GPG key and apt repository. Now using apt install, we'll install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. With the Docker packages installed, we'll make sure the Docker service is started and enabled. Add the current user to the Docker group. Then re-authenticate the current user for the group change to take effect. We're now ready to start running containers. We'll begin by creating some working directories for our containers to store data in. Then we'll set ownership of the new directory structure and change some permissions. We'll create a new Docker network called containers. Then using the docker run command, we'll create a MariaDB database container, followed by another docker run command to create the LimeSurvey container. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the Docker host :8080/index.php/admin. Log in with the credentials set up in the docker run command. Welcome to LimeSurvey, running containerized in Docker.